Find or read reviews that people are talking about YIOJOYD Christmas Pinecone candles Flameless, battery-operated candles with flickering wick. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Christmas Pinecone candles Flameless package list. The Flameless candles contains 2 brown pinecone candles in a package, each with a diameter of 3.5 inches and a height of 4.7 inches. Pinecone candles are made of real wax and feature LED flashing wicks. Christmas battery-operated candles. Each Christmas LED flameless pinecone candles requires 2 AA batteries, not included. This candle has no smoke, no wax dripping, and poses no fire hazard. It is safe for your children, house, and pets, and can be used as a decorative candles for Christmas and Thanksgiving with confidence. Flickering candles wick. Flickering flameless candles uses realistic LES flickering wick to make the candles look like real candles. When you turn on the switch at the bottom, the 3D flickering wick flickers constantly, creating a warm and cozy atmosphere in your room or living room. This is a perfect decoration for a Christmas family. The application scenarios of Pinecone flameless candles. Battery candles flickering can be placed on your house candlestick, the table in your living room, the bedside table in your room, or beside your window at Christmas. Decorate your dining table on Thanksgiving night. This is a great and beautiful room decor. Christmas gift candles decorations. This Pinecone candles flameless can be given as a Christmas present to mom, grandma, sister, grandmother, auntie, good friends, all family members, and on Thanksgiving night to mom, grandma, sister, grandmother, auntie, good friends, all family members. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.